Hello, baby.
Hello, Mama.
How are you?
I am good.
Okay, so today we will learn the name of some animals and their babies. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. Start.
Okay. So, chicken?
Chick.
Okay. Chicken young one is chick.
G.
Duck?
Duck. Duck. Duck babies. Duckling.
Very good. Cat? Cat?
Kitten.
Very good. Cat young one is kitten. Dog?
Puppy.
Yes. Dog young one is puppy. Frog?
Tadpole.
Tadpole. Yes.
Tadpole.
Frog young one is tadpole.
Yes.
Butterfly?
Caterpillar.
Very good. Butterfly young one is caterpillar. Buffalo?
Calf.
Very good. Buffalo young one is calf. Spider?
Spiderling.
Yes. Spider young one is spiderling. Pig?
Piglet.
Yes. Pig young one is piglet. Owl?
Owlet.
Yes. Owl young one is owlet. Kangaroo?
Joy.
Yes. Kangaroo young one is joy. Goat? Goat young one is
Got young one. Kid.
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 Yes, goat young one is kid. Rabbit.
Kit.
Yes, rabbit young one is kid. Very good, Vidika. Deer.
Deer. Fawn.
Fawn. Deer young one is
Fawn.
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 Sheep.
Lamb.
Lamb. Yes, sheep young one is lamb. Cow.
Calf.
Very good. Cow young one is calf. Donkey.
Foal.
Yes, donkey young one is foal. Horse.
Colt.
Yes, horse young one is colt. Elephant.
Calf.
Yes, very good, Vidika. Elephant young one is calf. Lion.
Cub.
Very good. Lion young one is cub. Monkey. Monkey young one is
Infant.
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 Very good. Tiger.
Cub.
Yes, tiger young one is cub. Giraffe.
Calf.
Yes, giraffe young one is calf. Fish.
Fry.
Very good, Vidika. Fish young one is fry. Very good. You did a great job. So these are the animals, some of the animals and their babies, their young ones. Thank you so much, Vidika.
Don't worry, my brain is sharp. Bye bye. See you on next video. Thank you. I love you. Bye bye.